This is the next of this series of easy dry suit repairs. This is another common problem that happens to dry suits, which is the braces inside. One of the plastic fasteners breaks. In this case, it's the fastener on the suit, and as you can see, it's snapped off. Now this is on an Otter suit, but it's a common problem with lots of dry suits. They simply get a lot of hard work, a lot of wear and tear, so they actually break relatively simply. It's inside out, and as you can see, these fasteners are held on with a piece of dry suit material which is glued onto the inside of the suit. So on the one that's snapped on the other side, I've already started to remove the actual piece of fabric, and the way you do that is with simply, you get your standard heat gun. These are the types of electric guns that you buy to remove paint. Switch it on, warm up the glue, give it a few minutes, make sure you don't overheat the fabric because you don't want to damage the suit, and once it's warm enough, you'll find that this will actually peel away relatively easily. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand so it looks a bit awkward, but it's relatively simple to pull it off, and as you can see, it's starting to come away already. Once you warm the glue, it will come away quite easily. Just a word of caution really, with older suits, I mean this is a suit relatively new, but on older suits the glue can get really hard, and if that's the case, I wouldn't even bother trying to take it off. I would simply clean up the face of the old fabric and glue the new piece on top of the old one, as long as the glue underneath is solid, of course. Okay, now that we've removed the actual fabric, you get the old toluene on the rag and you clean off as much of the old glue residue as possible. Once you've cleaned it all away, then you get the new piece of fabric. Now these are supplied by Otter as a replacement part. John at Otter actually sent these through to me free of charge. So it's a relatively straightforward repair. And again, you need to clean the glue face on here with the toluene as well, so both sides are clean, and then what we'll be doing is applying the glue. And again, I'm using the 2-part Polymarine Hypalon inflatable boat adhesive. It's really good stuff for repairing dry suits with. It's a 2-part adhesive. I only tend to use 1 part because the 2 parts make it go off too quickly and I want the time. So again, a bit of glue on the actual piece of fabric, glue on the suit. When both sides have gone completely tacky, then we bring them together. So I've applied a second coat of adhesive, mainly because this is a new piece of fabric, so I want to make sure that it's got the glue fully absorbed into the actual fabric itself. And I've put, again, 2 coats on the suit. Now I'm just waiting for it to go completely tack dry. That's still a bit wet, so we'll leave that for another 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, so I've been away, had a cup of tea, come back. This is now completely touch dry, the glue. This glue here is now touch dry. I've also threaded through the actual fabric, the actual piece of the braces that actually needs to be fitted on. Now the next job is to simply place them on nice and firmly, fold them, place the second part on. Okay, so I've lightly placed them in position. As you can see, the next job is now press it nice and firmly, both sides. Get your hand inside the suit or squeeze the suit, so you can squeeze these 2 parts, getting all the air bubbles out, making a really good contact seal. Once all that's completed, put the braces on, make sure you've got them in the correct orientation, and that's it, job done. Again, leave it 24 hours, let the glue go off completely, and then the suit ready to use. And again, thanks for watching the vid.